Ever wish Mickey Mouse would help pay your mortgage? Stick around, because buying an Airbnb near Disney might be the next best thing. Hi, I'm Shawn McCormick, and welcome to On the House. Today, I'm teaching you the A, B, C's of Airbnbs. A fun crash course for first-time Airbnb investors in Central Florida. And as always, this information is on the house. Let's dive in with a quick fact. Central Florida draws over 70 million visitors a year. That's a whole lot of potential guests for your future Airbnb. So, how do you make the most of this magical market? Easy. Just follow your ABCs. A. Area is everything. When it comes to Airbnbs, A is for area. Location, location, location. Pick the right spot near the action. In Orlando, that means close to Disney World, Universal Studios, or the new Epic Universe theme park. Areas like Davenport, Champions Gate, and Kissimmee are hot because they're minutes from the parks and built for short-term rentals. Make sure the neighborhood allows Airbnbs. Many communities around here are vacation rental friendly with awesome amenities. Think pools and lazy rivers. Being near the magic means more bookings. Families want to stay close to Mickey, Harry Potter, and all the fun. Plus, year-round sunshine and attractions keep guests coming in every season. Here's a tip. Check local rules and HOA regulations before you buy. You don't want to find out after closing that short-term rentals are a no-go on your street. Oh, and if you're excited about this, I've got a free gift for you. Grab my Smart Investors Playbook Airbnb guide. It's a free guide packed with tips to help you succeed. Just scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description to get your copy. Next up, B is for budget and buying smart. Time to talk money, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. First, figure out how you'll pay for that Florida vacation home. Talk to a lender about a loan for a second home or investment property. You might be surprised. Some second home loans can work with as little as 10% down. Know your numbers: purchase price, down payment, interest rate, and monthly mortgage. Then add the extra costs: property taxes, insurance, utilities, and HOA fees, if any. Florida insurance can be spicy, so get a quote up front. And don't forget the budget for furniture and decor. Your Airbnb needs to be fully furnished and looking sharp for guests. From Mickey-themed kids' rooms to a cozy living room, great decor equals great reviews. Yes, buying that Star Wars bedspread is a business expense. Plan for setup costs like kitchen supplies, linens, and a good Wi-Fi router. Nobody wants a vacation with bad internet. Before you buy, do the math to make sure the home can pay for itself. Look up similar Airbnbs in the area. See what they charge per night and how booked they are. For example, an average host in the Disney area, Kissimmee, makes around $78,000 a year from their Airbnb. That's with a home that's booked solid for much of the year at good nightly rates. Your results will vary, but the point is, a smart buy in a high-demand area can bring in serious cash. A stack of cash labeled budget and a furnished vacation home interior. If the numbers look good, go for it. And remember, I help people every day to find and buy the perfect Airbnb here in Orlando. So if you want a seasoned partner to guide you, I'm your guy. Finally, C is for customer experience. Basically, taking care of your guests and your property. Let's face it, Central Florida is the vacation rental capital, and there's a lot of competition. Kissimmee alone has over 29,000 Airbnb listings. So how do you make your Airbnb stand out from the crowd? By offering a stellar experience. Start with sparkling cleanliness. Nobody wants ew in their Airbnb. A top-notch cleaning crew or your own elbow grease is a must after each guest. Provide comfy beds, extra pillows, and fluffy towels. Little touches like a welcome basket with snacks or a cute welcome note go a long way. Consider adding some Florida flair. Maybe a Mickey Mouse mural in the game room or a Harry Potter-themed bedroom under the stairs. Make it fun and memorable. Next, nail your listing and communication. Use bright, high-quality photos that make your home look like a dream vacation spot. Write a friendly description, highlighting how close you are to Disney or Universal. Only 10 minutes to Mickey's front door. Then, be an attentive host. Respond quickly to inquiries, be helpful and polite, and provide clear check-in instructions. If something goes wrong, the Wi-Fi acts up or an appliance breaks, solve it fast and fairly. A happy guest equals good reviews, and good reviews equals more bookings. Also, play by the rules. Follow your community's noise rules, parking rules, and get any required permits or licenses. Being a responsible host protects your investment and keeps the neighbors happy. The smiling family at an Airbnb, a 5-star rating graphic, and Shawn giving a thumbs up. Not up for midnight guest calls or scrubbing toilets? You can hire a local property manager to handle cleanings, guest communication, and maintenance. It eats into your profits a bit, but for many investors, the peace of mind is worth it. It's like having a team to help care for your home and guests. Let's see what we have. A is for area. Choose prime locations near the theme parks and make sure short-term rentals are allowed. The closer to the magic, the better. B is for budget and buy smart. Know your numbers and stick to a plan. Don't buy a castle you can't afford. Budget for the home and everything to run it. C is for customer experience. Treat your guests like VIPs. Keep the place clean, comfy, and fun, so you earn those 5-star reviews. Follow these ABCs and you'll be well on your way to Airbnb success in Orlando's vacation rental market. Now, if you're ready to turn those Airbnb dreams into reality, give me a call. I help people just like you buy Airbnbs in Orlando every day, and I'd love to help you too. You can reach me at 321-439-4277. Let's chat about your goals and find you that perfect second home. And before you go, make sure to subscribe to On the House for more insider real estate tips and fun Florida investment guides. Thanks for watching ABCs of Airbnbs. I'm Shawn McCormick, and until next time, keep living the dream. And remember, all this information is on the house.